Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to reduce file size in Adobe Acrobat. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Acrobat, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Reducing the file size of a PDF in Adobe Acrobat is a straightforward process. You can do this using the Save as Reduced Size PDF option or the Optimize PDF tool. So once you are logged into your account, I want you to go to the Edit section. All right. Wherein you can add your own document here. Or go to the File section of your documents. I'm going to choose this file instead, and for us to be able to reduce the file size, all you have to do is go to the three dots icon in the upper right corner. You have this option that says download this file. To do that, you see you have an option for the PDF to compress this into high, medium, and obviously low. For example, you're just sending this as a draft file for your client to see, or if you're working with multiple freelancers, you wanted to give their feedback and not sending them a high resolution PDF, just maybe go to the low. After that, all I have to do is click the download compressed PDF. Right, you see that? It's downloading. Now, if you are using the Adobe Acrobat application in your computer, go to the menu on the upper left corner. There should be an option that says Save As or Save As Other. You see, there should be an option here that says Reduce Size PDF. I want you to click on it. You see, there could be multiple options on this side. You need to, if you want to retain the existing, or you're going to be using the Adobe Acrobat 5, 8, 9, 10, and later. All right. Now, as you can see, setting compatibility to later versions of Adobe Acrobat will allow greater reduction in the file size. If you click on OK, just save it to your computer. That's one way. And the last option is going to be, again, go to the menu. This time, click the Save As, because in this section, you have an option here, as you can see, to reduce file size. All right. And now you can save it to your computer, your Adobe Cloud Storage, or your Add file storage using your cloud, Box, Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, and SharePoint. And obviously all I have to do is click on OK. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.